Hi everybody, this is Amit Kumar and I welcome to Power BI tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a comparative analysis between Power BI Business Intelligence tool and Tableau. So as you know, Tableau and Power BI are two market leaders or we can say the visualization giant in the market. But the question is arising, who is the topmost Power BI business analysis platform in the market, whether it is Power BI or Tableau. Well, that's a debatable question. So in this tutorial, I'll drive you through some of the comparisons between Power BI and Tableau. So let's see. So overall, Power BI and Tableau are two important business intelligence technology in this you know current market, and they are supporting most of the facilities which is common like integration analysis and presentation for business informations. So they also both the tools also help you to make the data analysis, data manipulations, data visualizations, and make sense of business data and drawing the business analysis. So most of the features are common in terms of the handling the data, handling the visualizations, creating solutions for making business decisions. So if you see about the OEM, the manufacturer or the company, Power BI is a business analytics platform which is provided by Microsoft, which is of course is a market leader, and Tableau is developed by the Tableau software, which is a company. So these are the proprietors or we can say the providers of these two business analysis platform. Power BI is from Microsoft and Tableau is from Tableau software. Okay, so let us look back to the history of Power BI and Tableau. So in this tutorial, I have prepared a handbook or kind of a presentation for considering different aspects like performance, visualizations, language support, integration support, cost of operations. So all these key factors we will subsequently see one by one. So now we are looking back to the history of the Power BI and Tableau. Which one is new to the market? Of course, Power BI is so new in the market. However, Tableau is pretty old and pretty experienced in the market. It has completed more than 20 years in the market. Tableau is being introduced since 1993. Back in 1993 to 1994, in that period, the Tableau has been created. However, as compared to Tableau, Power BI is new. So if we compare some of the major uh, differences, like Power BI has an easy drag and drop functionality, which features that you can copy the object and paste the object, and designing in terms of in Power BI is pretty easy, where Tableau has the feature of drag and drop, which allows the user to create interactive visual quickly. It can also support built-in interactive dashboards with just a few clicks. So both the tools are quite easy to handle. They are interactive. They are having the drag and drop console. But if we see like in terms of the easiness, I would say Power BI is more easy for creating a dashboard by using the drag and drop functionalities. In Power BI, we have to first create a dashboard or a sheet where I can add multiple objects one by one and I can easily align them. However, in Tableau, we have to create first sheets, and individual sheets in Power BI are considered as individual objects. Now then, we have to create a dashboard which is act as a frame where we have to compose the individual sheets to create a dashboard. So just like reverse, like in Power BI, we have to first create a dashboard where we can simply drag and drop the objects. That's simple. But in Tableau, we have to create the objects initially, then we have to create the dashboard, which is just act as a frame, and then we have to compose the sheets to the dashboard. The approach is little different. Okay, so the critical component of Power BI are Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, which is basically the Power BI, so a cloud-based server. Then Power BI Mobile App, Power BI Data Gateway, and Power BI Report Server, which is a Power BI Enterprise server also. Whereas in Tableau, there are various products as well. Tableau has the Tableau Desktop, which is a development platform, then Tableau Server, which is an enterprise server, and enterprise or on-premises server, and Tableau Online, which is a cloud-based server. Okay, most features of Tableau Server and Tableau Online are common except the environment. The Tableau Online is a cloud one, and Tableau Server is an installable component which can be installed in your on-premises environment. Then Tableau Visible, Tableau Public, which is a public deployment platform, and Tableau Reader. So these are the different products available in Tableau, and these are the different products available in the Power BI. Now coming to the cost, which is a major factor for consideration of any BI tool. So in terms of the cost, Power BI and Tableau, let's see, Power BI is cheaper than Tableau. Okay, this is the factor, the positive factor where Power BI may taken into consideration, that Power BI is cheaper than Tableau software. Power BI software version less cost than $10 per month per user. The yearly subscription comes around $100. Power BI Premium is licensed by dedicated cloud compute and storage resource, and it priced at 4,995 per month. Whereas as compared to Power BI, Tableau is more expensive, where the pro version of the Tableau comes more than 35 user per month. So this is the major difference. Here it is $10 per month. Here it is Power BI is Tableau is $35 per month. The yearly subscription is $1,000. So which is definitely costly. And going forward to the performance, that's also a major USP or unique selling point of either Power BI or Tableau. So Power BI is easy to use, it is faster and perform better when the volume of data is limited. I repeat, Power BI perform faster when the volume of data is limited. Power BI trained to drag slowly well while handling the bulk data. So basically, will you handle bulk amount of data, Power BI experience a little bit of slow, drag and drop features or drag and drop of the objects. So you may experience a little, uh, slow of the objects while moving. while we have the huge data. Whereas the positive point here is Tableau can handle large volume of data quickly. It is faster and provides extensive features for visualizing the data. Tableau does not limit the user the number of data points in visualization or enforce the row of or size limitations, giving you a 360-degree view of your data. So when we just see the perspective of the performance, you can say performance of the Tableau may be a little better than Power BI. Whereas in terms of the cost, Power BI is better than Tableau or cheaper than Tableau. Now coming into one more key area, which is user interface of Power BI and Tableau. It's all about beauty. It's all about visualizations, or it's all about how the interface is. The Power BI interface is more intuitive, more easy to understand, and can easily be integrated with other Microsoft product. Power BI interface is easy to learn and understand. It is also user friendly and allows you to operate better. Power BI desktop provide three view of your data that you can see, like you can select on the left side of the canvas, that is report view, data view and data model view. In the report view, you can basically see the visualizations, the objects, the front end basically, and the data view is the kind of a data model. You can visualize data, you can see the data, kind of a data manager, where you can see the table and their data, each table and their data in the data view. And the data model view is the pictorial or the graphical view, which will let you to see the relations between the tables as schema. Just like a star schema, snowflake schema, you can see the table pictorially, and how these tables are interconnected to each other in this model view. Where if you see the same perspective in Tableau, Tableau has an intelligent interface that enable you to create and customize the dashboard according to your requirement. It has an inviting workspace that encourages you to experience experiment with the data and smart result. So the interface is basically the workspace area has different cards and slates, toolbars, slide side bars, data source page, status bar and sheet tab. If I say personally, and as per my experience from Power BI and Tableau, if I would treat myself as a layman, or if I would treat myself as a beginner, then I must say the Power BI is more intuitive to understand. The Power BI is more easy to create dashboards quicker and faster than Tableau here, because it is very straightforward. Of course, Microsoft, that's Microsoft. So it is straightforward. You have to simply create a sheet which is a dashboard and then simply drag and drop the objects. While on the other hand, the Tableau, you have to individually create the sheet. You have to you know create individual sheet which is treated as an object. Then you have to create the dashboard, which just act as a frame, where you have to compose of the individual sheets to create a dashboard. And for designing, for arranging the objects in a UI is also quite difficult in Power BI. They have a different layout, like floating layout or tile layout in Power BI. So it is a little bit not that much clumsy, but I would say as compared to Power BI, I would rate Power BI more than Tableau over here. All right. So the next, the USP of Power BI and Tableau is the data source support or ability to connect with various data sources. Power BI support almost all the data sources available in our conventional market, our conventional industry like SQL Server, MS Access, IBM DB2, Oracle, SAP HANA, all those type of cloud database, as well as all type of RDBMS, as well as all type of flat file. At the same time, Tableau is also support all flat files, analytics platform like Google Analytics and web services and your RDBMS as well. So in that case, I would say the more tool both the tools are you know supporting this type of data. So let us have a look into this. The description like Power BI is that it supports various data sources, but has a limited access to other databases and servers as compared to Tableau. Some of the example like Excel, CSV, SQL Server, Access, Oracle, DB2, MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc., which supported by the Power BI. On the other hand, Tableau software has access to numerous of data sources such as Excel, text file, PDF, JSON, statistical file, Amazon Redshift, Cloud Data Hadoop, Google Analytics, Dropbox, Google Sheet, Google Drive, etc. So some of the cloud-based, other database which is supported by Tableau, we can say this is the add-on point of Tableau. Okay. Now the next point is easy to use. The easiness, the user friendliness, the end user compatibility, and the developer compatibility is matters. So ease of using Power BI and Tableau. Power BI has a ease because of its easy of use since it is based on a user interface that has its root in Microsoft Office, which most end users are already familiar with. Tableau provides some essential advantages for exploring and visualizing the data in detail. Tableau is also incorporating natural language capability into its software. This helps in finding soft solutions to complex problems by understanding the data better. But it is all about the developer features. But when I say the easiness, I would say Power BI is more easy to use because there is no such trick. Simply, you can drag and drop, create the columns, create the DAX fields, calculated fields, and create the visualizations. So in this case, my voting is go to Power BI for easy to use features. Then coming up to next, programming support for Power BI and Tableau. Tableau and Power BI both support statistical programming languages. In Power BI, we can also add R and Python, and we can create a customized visualizations by using this statistical programming language R and Python. In Tableau as well, it supports R, Python, and C++. So in this comparison, both the tools are come up with the equal ratings. Since Tableau is little older, so it supports in addition to R and Python, C, C++, Java is also supported by Tableau, but you know in Power BI it supports Python and R and AIM language for data manipulation. So in a nutshell, both the tools are supporting the popular statistical programming language like R, Python for creating data manipulation, data modeling, and statistical analysis. Then data visualization in Power BI and Tableau. How the data is being visualized. Moreover, Tableau and Power BI has similar type of objects: bar chart, a pie chart, line chart, radar chart, bullet chart. All those charts are available in Power BI and Tableau as well. Power BI is also provides a Power BI object gallery from where you can download additional objects which is not in build available in Power BI. So like radar chart, like word cloud, so many charts which is not in build available neither in Power BI nor in Tableau. It can also be added additionally. So Power BI provides easy to use drag and drop functionality. It provides features that make data visually appealing. Power BI offers a wide range of detail and attractive visualizations to create reports and dashboard. Using Power BI service, you can also ask questions about your data and it will give you a meaningful insight. So this is all about the visualizations. So as I said, Tableau Power BI has certain counts of the visualization, but in addition to that, whichever the objects are not available in Power BI in build, that can also be downloaded from the Power BI App Store, which is a cloud-based repository, and from there the visualizations can be added to Power BI development environment, by using which you can create a various type of newly created objects. And Tableau also support and allow users to customize dashboards specifically for a device. It delivers interactive visuals that supports insights on the fly. Okay, so this is all about the visualizations in Power BI and Tableau. Now coming up to next another factor which is machine learning in Power BI. So Power BI enjoys the advantages of the Microsoft Business Analysis that include perform such as Azure Machine Learning, SQL Server based analysis service, data streaming in real time, and many Azure database offers. It helps to understand the data and analyze the trends and patterns in the data. Tableau supports the features of the Python machine learning. This allows us perform a machine learning operation over the data sets and forecast the data. So moreover, both of these tools has the inbuilt forecasting option, which has the inbuilt predictive modeling and forecasting data sets and algorithms. We if you provide the data and uh, which has the timestamps then in that case, in both the tools, you can create the predictive analysis and forecasting reports. Customer support, which is one of the most crucial feature functionality, or crucial point for choosing either Tableau or Power BI. So Microsoft Power BI is relatively younger in the market, as I said. Yes, Power BI is younger or new as compared to Tableau. Hence, it has a smaller community because the developers available in Power BI across the world, obviously, it is smaller than Tableau because the list or the number is smaller than Tableau because Power BI is younger or newer, whereas Tableau is has wide range of customers across the world and number of active users 1,60,000 active users participating in over 500 global user groups. So Power in this case Tableau is providing more advantages because it's older and experienced in the market, so its market capitalization is more as compared to Power BI. Hence, the customers are more, the user using the Power BI is more, and ultimately the community is also bigger. Then Google Trend. What the trend says about Power BI and Tableau. If you compare Power BI and Tableau over here on a timely trend, where blue color is Power BI and red color is Tableau software, you see the trend. The Google trend for Power BI and Tableau suggests Power BI is more popular and widely searched for the internet. Even on YouTube, uh, Tableau is more popular and widely searched in the internet. Even on YouTube, Tableau is more popular as compared to Power BI in terms of search volumes. And 2020 Gartner Magic Quadrant. It's a statistical analysis. So if we see the statistical analysis by using Gartner Magic Quadrant, in that case, you see, among other tools like ClickView, SAS, Salesforce, uh, you know, Pentaho, and other tools, we have Tableau and Power BI are the leaders, market leaders. Of course, ClickView is also there, but as compared to Tableau and Power BI, ClickView is far behind. So Power BI is also seems to be a market leader nowadays. But you see the pace of growing in the market. Tableau is too older as compared to Power BI, and Power BI is too younger. It's very new in the market, but still it capitalized the market substantially. So if you see the future of the Power BI professional in a due course of time will be higher as compared to Tableau. So the outcome is, of course, there are many advantages or many positive points are with Power BI as well as many positive points with Tableau. So for 13 consecutive years of analysis, in Gartner has recognized Microsoft Power BI as a market leader in analysis and business intelligence platform. It has recognized Tableau as a leader in business intelligence after Microsoft Power BI. So the conclusion of this presentation is to find out which is the market leader or the topmost BI product in terms of Power BI and Tableau. There are many positive points with Tableau as compared to Power BI, and there are many positive points of Power BI over Tableau. But overall, if what we made the Gartner analysis from last 13 years of consecutive data, it is understood that Microsoft Power BI is the market leader and Tableau is coming behind the Power BI. It may be the second topmost product. So this was all about the gist of this presentation in terms of the comparison. Now it's up to you to choose which one is the best technology and choose the career path according to this comparative analysis shown between Power BI and Tableau. So I hope you would have liked this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Keep following. Bye bye.